देखिए स्क्रीन पर एक क्वेश्चन है, इफ tan A equals to 1/2 and tan B equals to 1/3, then tan 2A plus B is what? Right, we have to find tan 2A plus B. How we can find it? Watch till the end and share it to your friends. uh, since we have tan A is given what? 1/2, and tan B is also given what? 1/3. Since if we use the formula tan A plus B, then we need tan 2A, right? So first we should find here what? Tan 2A. First we should find what? Tan 2A. So first we find tan 2A. What is tan 2A? Tan 2A equals to, we know that 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square A. Okay. And now we put the value of tan A in this equation, and then we get here 2 times of 1/2 divided by 1 minus 1/4, and here 2 will be cancelled, and thus we get here 4/3. This is the value of tan 2A, but we need to find we have to find tan 2A plus B. Therefore tan 2A plus B is what? Tan 2A plus B is equals to tan 2A plus tan tan 2A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan 2A into tanB, right? We have used their formula tan x plus y equals to tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x into tan y, right? And if we put their values, then we get here 4/3 plus 1/3 divided by 1 minus 4/3 into 1/3. If we solve here, then we get here 5/3 divided by 5/9. Yes, and now we cancel the common factors, and we get here 5/3 into 9/5. If we cancel the common factors from numerator and denominator, then we get here what? 3. So 3 is the right answer of this question. I hope you all have understood it. Thank you very much for watching.